Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply find your MetaMask secret recovery phrase. Now, your first step would be after logging into MetaMask, head over to the gear icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, you simply move on to secret and privacy. Click on security and privacy. Once you've clicked on security and privacy, you're met with a video you can simply watch, which is going to educate you on what the whole wallet is about and how you can secure your wallet. But seeing as we're going to be working directly with our recovery phrase, your recovery phrase is basically what you can use to log into your MetaMask account on any device or any platform that has MetaMask or uses the MetaMask interface. So now once you've gotten there, once you're at the security and privacy and you've watched this video for the details, click on review secret recovery phrase, click on get started, and then you're going to be met with questions which you simply answer by can't help you. Click on continue. If anyone, even a support agent, asks for your secret recovery phrase, you're being scammed. Click on continue, and then you proceed to enter your password. And now this password is what is going to help you log into your account, and you simply click on hold to reveal your secret recovery phrase. And now your secret recovery phrase is shown both in text and QR code, which can be then scanned and used on another phone or another platform. So click on done, and that's how you can get your secret recovery phrase. Do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about any of these, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.